So this is our SEF analysis for draft or net foundation. We have almost defined all the parameters. We have defined the material properties, as you can see that N40 grade of concrete and HYSD 500 for steel section reinforcement. Now the properties are already well defined, so no need to repeat it again. Then after defining material properties, we have defined slab properties. As you can see that this is the slab property M40 grade of concrete, and after analysis, two-time analysis, we found that the ratio of punching shear got exceeded the limit, and that's why we have adopted 1200 mm thickness slab here. So this is the property of slab. Now we have also defined the subgrade modulus. The subgrade modulus properties are seen clearly: 3e raised to 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to 4. So that is also based on the subgrade modulus is equal to SBC divided by the allowable settlement. Here the allowable settlement and the data are once put into the equation, we will get this data. So this is also clear. So press OK. Now we have defined all the load cases: dead load, live load. Then we also defined load cases. So this is the load cases we have taken: linear, static, and we also defined the combinations of load. Combo 1, as you can see, the parameters are taken based on the Indian standard. This combo 1 linear, and dead load and live load multiplied with 1.5 factor of safety as strength parameter is selected, and serviceability criteria are also defined. As you can see that the service criteria, the property related to that is also identified based on Indian standard. So now our model is ready. We have also selected the draw command and drawn the slab areas and identify the exit position of column. And once this is prepared, now we are going to take a look of extrude view so that we can get the exact details of our model. See this is our model. So this is a three-dimensional view, extrude view of the model mat foundation, dry draft foundation. So exit this again. So again click on this and deselect this extrude view. Now we are planning to go with the run analysis and design, and let me check whether our mat foundation is safe or not. So I'm just clicking on this model to press run analysis. So analysis is going on right now. See this, after analysis we found these results, and most of the results are within this limit, within the allowable limit, and you can identify the amount of settlement at different locations. So depending on the color combination, you can identify the worst condition of settlement. Now go for run analysis and design. So run analysis and design is also done. Now display and press on punching shear design. See this, that all these columns are within the limit 1. All these are within the limit 1. It means that our column are safe, our foundation is safe and has passed all these criteria. Now this is the end of this analysis and design. Number of things can be seen. You can go with the different slab forces and stress and identify any one value, whatever you are looking for, and just press it. Depending on the action, it will show the patterns of deformation and concern parameter. So these are the different value and different things. Even though we can check the number of parameters based on this. Now press detailing, then now to get the detailing of this model, go to the run detailing. Okay, so detailing is going on. So this is the detailing of this raft foundation. You can get the detail of all the components. Depending on the requirement, you can go with this. So these are the different you can get the details like this. This is the rebar details. This is bottom bar plan, all bars. So depending on your requirement, you can select the different location and identify the patterns of which. So these are the things you can get the detail of reinforcement based on it. So this is the end of this session. Hope this is the information whatever I shared with you. Even though you can collect the details from this safe Skyfiler. Okay, so this is, even though you can get the details of a drawing set, so this is something which is related to